In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook username. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook app. From there, go to the bottom right, click on menu, click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. From setting, you want to click or see more in accounts center. Once you are here, click on profiles, the one above connected experiences, click on your Facebook one, and then click on username, and basically here you will change your username. Enter your username. If it's available, you will see this either like a question mark or a check mark, and then click on done, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.